Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start now, unlock the iPhone and open Settings. You need active cellular and Wi-Fi so the personal hotspot option appears. Once done, tap cellular or scroll to personal hotspot directly. This first step locates the control so you can remove sharing. Make sure you're using the device you want to stop broadcasting. You're not signing out of iCloud yet. You're simply accessing the hotspot toggle to stop tethering immediately. Now disable personal hotspot. Open personal hotspot and switch the toggle to off. This stops other devices from connecting and removes the active broadcast. Once off, nearby devices will no longer see your iPhone as a hotspot. If you still see connections, toggle airplane mode on then off to reset radios. Make sure to watch the status bar. No chainlink icon means tethering is stopped. This is the core action that removes the hotspot immediately. Finish by removing any lingering access. On devices that connected, choose Forget this network so they cannot auto-reconnect. Then, back on your iPhone, change the personal hotspot password or keep Allow others to join off to prevent future joins. If the hotspot still appears to other devices, reboot your iPhone. If necessary, reset network settings to clear cached pairings. Remember this resets Wi-Fi and Bluetooth too. If that fails, contact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.